Hello friends and welcome to the Dojo. Last episode we had the sides inside the mold and I cracked the sides. I had to remove the sides from the mold to prepare the mold with some wax paper so the glue doesn't stick the sides to the mold. My procedure was just to keep going and try to give some structure to the guitar before I sanded and I fixed it. So yes, you will see how I fixed this big mistake. I was not careful enough, so beware of that. You had to be really careful with your sides. So I kept going to prepare the blocks, but everything was so fragile. I had to be really careful. Yes, now double checking everything I do. Remember to give some dry runs before you glue. Protecting your wood from the clamps is very important. Always use some other material in between. I had so much problems with the glue and the clamps. It was not working properly. If you're finding this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. And of course, I will fix this side. Believe me, I will. At this point, you cannot stop. It's one way only, and it's to finish. At this point, I had to remove the mold from the sides to glue from the other side, and you will see what a big surprise I found when I turned the guitar around. This is not looking good. You have to know that the glue I'm using is very special. In one point, if you use some ultraviolet light, you can see where the excess of the glue is applied. So yes, at this point I was not very careful with the amount of glue I was using. And of course, you can remove the glue using a wet cloth or with some heat. Of course, removing the excess. At this point, I have this cat trap where I just have to wait to dry. So stay tuned for the next episode where a big surprise is coming up my way. See you.